Hello, this is just a quick NIWA tutorials so that you know how to get your kids rostered and the right test set and all that. So let's just run through it. If you log into NIWA, this is your home screen. We're going to go click on Manage Test Sessions. We're going to find some students to test, and then we're going to go down to the high school. Let's click ninth grade. Let's click black just because she's the first one that shows up. So I'm clicking on Math 1, and it gives me a bunch of students, and I click Add. And then here, I can toggle them all, and then assign them the tests. Now, if you are Math, we're going to do Math 6 plus. And if you're Reading, right, we're going to do Reading 6 plus. Those are the only two we're using. So again, Math, Growth 6 plus, and for English, it's Growth Reading 6 plus. So for this class, for math, we're going to assign the test. Now each kid has had the right test assigned, and then we're going to save the session, and you can save it as whatever it is you want. For this purpose, we would just name it something like Black Grade 9's Math 1. And then you save it, and then you go back and you do it with the rest of your classes. But this will tie everyone on your roster to the tests, and you'll be able to better use and access the NIWA data, which we all know is important. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I'd be happy to point you in the right direction. Happy NIWAing.